Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to convert a decimal fraction to binary number. So here's an example of what we'll be dealing with, which is 59,65625, and I have a simple method on how to convert this number to binary because at our school they don't allow us to use a calculator to find these numbers. So here's how I do it. I'll first take this 5 and this 9 as 0 divided by 2, which is 25, and 9 divided by 2, which is 4,5, and then I add the 2, which is gonna give me 29,5, and then this comma 5 we will take it as a remainder 1 because we are dealing with binary numbers, and then our binary numbers, as you know, that is 1 and zeros. So I will record this as 29 remainder 1, and then 20 divided by 2, which is 10, and then again 9 divided by 2, which is 4,5, and then we add the 2, which is 14,5. And then I record this to 14 remainder 1. The reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want to make any mistakes, or that's why I have to do it on a rough paper. So yeah, again it's 14 divided by 2, which is 7. Now we don't have a remainder. Our remainder is 0 because we don't have comma 5. It's gonna be 7 remainder 0, and then 7 divided by 2, which is 3,5, 3 remainder 1, and then 3 divided by 2, which is 1,5 is 1 remainder 1, and then again 1 divided by 2 equals to 0,5, which is 0 remainder 1. And then I'll take this number starting from here going up, and then I will put it here, 1 1 1 0 1 1 comma, and then now I'll be dealing with this big number, which is after comma. I'm gonna do it here. It's gonna be 0,65625 times 2. On this one we will be multiplying by 2, so I'll take this 6. Let me take a rough paper on this one because it's very long. So it's gonna be 6, and then I'll take these 4 numbers as zeros, 1 2 3 4, multiply by 2, which is 120,000, and then 5, and then I'll take these 3 numbers as zeros, 1 2 3, multiply by 2, 10,000, and then 600, 6 1 2 3, 2 zeros times 2, which is 1,200. Finally 25 times 2, which is 50, and then I add these 2 numbers, which is gonna give me 130, 1 2 3, then again these 2 numbers, 1,200 and 250. So finally I will add these two numbers, which is gonna give me 131250. Yeah, 131250. So on this one I'll take this one as our remainder. I'm gonna put it here, 1, and then we're left with 31250 multiply by 2. So I'm gonna take this number again, which is 31250 multiplied by 2, which is, oh sorry, I'm gonna take this 3 first, 3 and 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4 times 2, which is 60,000, and then 1250 times 2, which is 1000 times 2 is 2, and then 250 is 500, so it's gonna be 2500. So we add the 2, which is gonna give me 62500. As you can see here, we don't have 1 or 0. We don't have 1, so we will put this as 0 here on our remainders. So it's gonna be 0, 62500 multiplied by 2. So it's again 6 6 1 2 3 4 times 2. As you can see here, it's 6 and 4 zeros, 120, 123, and then again 2500 times 2, which is 5000, and then we add the 2, and then add the 2, 125, 1 2 3. Yeah, so now we have 1 here, so we will record this one here, and we are left with 25, 1 2 3. So now we take that 25,000 multiplied by 2, which is gonna be 50,000. So now we don't have 1 here. We'll take it as a 0 because there's nothing here, so it's gonna be 0, 50, 1 2 3, and then again 50,000 multiplied by 2, which is gonna be 100,000. Now we have 1 here. That's our final step. 4 zeros. Yeah, that's it. And then again, finally, we read this number starting from here going downward. So our final answer is gonna be 10101. Yeah, that's it. Good.